Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating spreads in my wellness section. So this includes my meal planner, which is Frosted Blooms, classic size happy planner, as well as my wellness planner. So the first we're going to do the meal plan, Frosted Blooms. I'm going to be using the winter florals from Velvet Plan. I think that's such a fun little sticker book that she created, and I wanted to use the blue blooms. It is an extremely snowy week in Chicago. I thought that was appropriate to use blue flowers with snowflakes. So let's do this. I'm gonna go ahead and create that. Like I said, I think it looks so good. I love it. And before anything, I'm gonna go ahead and grab all of these breakfast, lunch, dinners things, and then I'm gonna place them down on the page accordingly, and we can move on and do the actual planning. So if this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I truly value your time and your friendship. So thanks for being here. Here we go. So I'm putting breakfast on all of these days of the week really quickly. And then we're gonna do the rest of them. So give me a second, lunch, dinner, and so on. And try to do this as fast as possible. Okay, now that all of these are on, I'm gonna start actually decorating the page a little bit more. So adding more of these blue flowers up here. As always, I do a grocery list on that little sidebar section. I think that works so well for me. I'm just using a regular eraser to soften up the correction tape. Okay, so the next flower is in. I think that looks pretty great. I'm gonna keep adding those little florals throughout. Let's remove all of these lines. Okay, and look at the snowflakes. Isn't that cute with the flowers? I thought that was very cute and well made. So I'm gonna continue adding those on. Yes, I think that's good. So cute. Now, kind of cut this up so it adds in here as well. And I don't mind if it like the clear edge goes over breakfast. Really don't mind that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and add those in up here. The breakfast, lunch, dinner stickers and so on are made by myself. I really love creating stickers for myself lately, so that's what I've been doing. In case you're curious where I got this, I printed them, sell them, and then cut them on Cricut for myself. I did about 2 months worth of, because I figured that at that point I'm gonna have a pretty good grip of how I want to do this, since the planner last year was so easy because it was already pre-made for meal planner. This is something I'm almost creating from scratch. So just bear with me. I know it's a lot, but hopefully you guys will gain something from it as well. I am still doing low carb. I think I'm going pretty well with it. I mean, I had Obviously, couple cheat days. You can't live low carb all of your life if it's not medically necessary. So I did have a couple cheat days, and it did definitely re-motivate me to do this, because you know, when you want something so bad and then you have a piece and you're like, okay, that was great, now I can move on with my life. That's exactly what happened. Okay, I'm just cutting out the little holes so my pages can snap back into the planner. Okay, moving inward, let's go ahead and add edges up here. I would like to have some florals and edges up here, and I think that's gonna look good. Okay, so the edges are practically done. I really like how that looks. I am enjoying the way this is looking, so I'm gonna pop this back in my planner very shortly, and we can go ahead and start actually meal planning. Okay, my planner is ready to go for meal plan. I am so excited. Let's do this. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Zig dot pen, make some very light blue dots to match the spread, and we can start planning. I think that will be a good thing to do. Let me go ahead and start. So breakfast is going to be baked kale, eggs, and ricotta. Those are such a good low carb breakfast. Then we have paleo basil, cashew chicken and chicken salad, slow cooker Texas chili, 1 ounce of almonds for my snack, and then 1 orange. Breakfast is going to be leftovers from the morning before. Then we have leftovers from dinner for lunch, and then we're going to do the black pepper salmon with avocado salad, and then leftover pesto basil cashew salad as a snack, and then raspberries, about 1 ounce for my other snack. For breakfast on Wednesday, we're going to be doing 4 ingredients protein pancakes. They are delicious. Then Mediterranean tuna salad, sesame honey chicken for dinner, 2 hard-boiled eggs for a snack, and 1 cup of red grapes. Okay, Thursday. 4 ingredient pancakes, again for breakfast, super easy. Mediterranean tuna salad for lunch. Grilled pork chops with asparagus and pesto for dinner. So my snack will be a few bites of that sesame honey chicken. 1 pair for snack. Then we're gonna do the Mediterranean egg white frittata, leftovers from the night before from the pork chops for lunch. Slow cooker low carb cabbage stew. I've never made this. I'm curious to see what it tastes like. And then we have a couple meatballs for a snack. Saturday and Sunday I'm out for dinner, so I'm not planning to actually cook anything, but for breakfast I'm going to have the leftover white frittata, leftovers cabbage stew roll, the low carb stew, chicken strips as a snack with some broccoli, one orange for my PM snack, skinny breakfast popovers, leftover chili chicken, the crunchy chicken strips, and grapes for my snack. I'm gonna make the grocery list dots, and that is it for my meal planning. Let's move on to my wellness planner, which is Nature and Nurture. This is a classic size happy planner, again, that we're planning for is the week of January 30th through February 5th. And I'm going to be using the Floral Fitness from Live Love Posh. I love that book. I think it's so good when you're trying to stay motivated and you have a beautiful spread. So that's exactly what I'm going for. Hopefully it will do the trick and I will be feeling great just looking at the spread. So I'm adding all of these beautiful things to my spread, such as this shirt with weights, and then we have a planner and like an acai bowl. Like all of these things are so great. And then I'll keep going. So adorable. Punching bag, some the balancing ball equipment. It's fantastic. Don't dream it. Don't dream of it, train it for it. That's a good motto of it, I think. Okay, let's just keep going. A couple more things here. So I'm gonna add this duffel bag really quickly, but I want to lift up this sticker to be able to put this under. I know it's a little bit off of camera right now, so I apologize, but here we go. So that's what that looks like. Some boxing gloves I think are great. I want to add this pouch, so I'm just gonna add it on top and see if that works pretty well. I think it does. The only thing I wish I did is cut off the white edge, but I didn't do it, and now I don't want to ruin the rest of the stickers, so I'm not gonna do it. Okay, I'm just adding little trinkets throughout to make sure that it looks good. I think I just want to fill this up, so I'm gonna add this hydration bottle. I'm not going to be necessarily track my hydration on here, but I think it's going to be a good reminder to drink water. Then we have some florals I want to add. These florals are so magnificent. I really like how they look. And I'm gonna add this girl right here. I might add another girl. Let's add her right here. Perfect. I'm gonna add, I was going to add those steps there. I'm gonna add it here because obviously I'm gonna be renaming those boxes as always. Let me see if I can move the sticker down. Nope, so I'm just gonna layer it. I think that works. As you can see, in general, this is a pretty quick spread. I don't really take too long of a time to create these spreads. I just sit down and do them. I really enjoy doing them. For me, I like how they look. I know a lot of you guys will like more intricate ones. I like them too. I just choose not to, I guess, spend the time to do it. And this is more than good enough for me. So there we go. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and look for boxes and checklists to match this spread. It's going to be quite a task because these colors are a little bit unusual. So give me a second. I'll be right back. So I grabbed my Mojo Jojo boxes. I grabbed the black boxes. I'm going to put that in here to kind of bring out the black of the spread. So again, I'm going to be renaming them. Intention will turn into Mood and Sleep. And then food was in the middle, and then steps and medication is on the lower section. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some checklists from Mojo Jojo as well. I'm gonna do this blue and this purple, pink type of thing, and then I'm gonna alternate them. So it's like this fuchsia, almost purple color, and then the blue. So I'm alternating them, and I think that's gonna bring out the spread quite nicely. So bear with me. Okay, I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm almost done. Okay, let's do that. And one more. Okay, checklists are done. That's done. Now added this little Add those little items up here. Let me see if I can. Okay, so I'm using my Paper Mate Flare pen, and I'm just gonna write movements and medication. I use meds for short, sleep, mood, and then food. Okay. I do need to create that, so I'm gonna put 2 bullet points in each of these boxes for me to track, and hopefully that will be it. Okay, all of my bullet points are done. I can go ahead and pop this back into my planner. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Both of them, let me know what you think down in the comments. As always, I look forward to those and they make my day, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. So again, this is my wellness, and we also created this meal plan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.